In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Docusign. Fill out and sign a PDF form on Docusign. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and log into your Docusign account. You'll land on the home dashboard. If you're new, the interface is straightforward and everything we need is right at the top. Make sure you have your PDF saved on your computer or accessible from your preferred cloud drive before you start. From the dashboard, select Start or New to begin. Choose the option to upload your PDF. You can drag the file in or browse your computer, and you can also pull it from cloud storage if that's where it lives. Give the upload a second to process. DocuSign will prepare the document so you can add fields. Next, choose Sign a Document. If you're the only person who needs to fill out and sign, check the box that says I'm the only signer. If others need to sign or complete parts of the form, add their details and assign the order you want them to receive it. You can include a brief message so recipients know what the document is and what you need them to do. Now you'll see your PDF with a tools panel on the left. Drag and drop fields like signature, date signed, and text onto the exact spots in the form where they belong. Place the signature where your signature line is, date signed next to any date line, and text anywhere you need to type information. Take a moment to align fields neatly. The guides help you snap things into place. If a field is mandatory, mark it as required so nothing important gets missed. Click into each text field and type the information you need. For consistency, you can adjust font size or formatting so it matches the form. When you click a signature field for the first time, DocuSign will prompt you to adopt a signature. You can type, draw, or use a saved style. Once adopted, simply place it wherever you've added signature fields. Repeat the same for initials if your form includes them. When everything looks good, select Finish. DocuSign will process the document and give you options to download a signed copy or send it by email. If you added other signers, they'll automatically receive a secure email link to review and sign. You'll also have access to a completion certificate and can save the signed PDF to your files or cloud storage for record keeping. And that's it. You've uploaded a PDF, added the fields you need, signed it, and sent it, all in a few quick steps.